We now present winners in the construction program. Our judging panel were scoring for originality, harmony of design, integration of plant material, technical skill, and craftsmanship. They considered how challenges were overcome, how clients' requests were addressed, and of course, they were looking for that unmistakable wow factor. Here now are the first category in construction program.
The construction program. Multi-residential and industrial construction, $100,000 to $250,000. Award of Merit to Three Seasons Landscapes, Laurier Community Center. And the Award of Excellence goes to Wentworth Landscapes, The Gathering Meadow, a legacy of nature, culture, and discovery.
The Award of Excellence winner for multi-residential and industrial construction, $100,000 to $250,000. Wentworth Landscapes, please come to the stage.
Multi-residential and industrial construction, over $250,000. Award of Merit to Shades of Summer Landscaping and Maintenance, White Church Farm. Three Seasons Landscapes, Woodlands Park. And the Award of Excellence goes to Urban Garden, 55 Lombard Street.
And I'd like to invite the Award of Excellence winner for multi-residential and industrial construction, over $250,000, Urban Garden. Please come to the stage.
Special Interest Construction. Award of Merit to Griffith Property Services, Space Reimagined. Griffith Property Services, Into the Woods 2, The Pool House, Inno Interlocking, Vavshiri Swaminarayan Mandir, Toronto. And awards of excellence go to Inno Interlocking. Interlock your mansion. Wentworth Landscapes, the Heritage Revival.
I invite the Award of Excellence winners for special interest construction to the stage. Congratulations to Inno Interlocking and Wentworth Landscapes.
Water features. Award of Excellence to Niagara Waterscapes, Recreational Pond.
I'd like to invite the Award of Excellence winner for Water Features Construction, Niagara Waterscapes, to the stage. Thank you.
Place of Business. Award of Excellence to Plantenance Landscape Group, where beauty takes root.
I'd like to invite the Award of Excellence winner for Place of Business Construction, Plantenance Landscape Group, to the stage, please. Congratulations.
balcony or rooftop garden. Award of Merit to Environmental Design Landscape Contractors, 124 on Queen. And the Award of Excellence goes to Arbordale Landscaping, Sky Garden.
I'd like to invite the Award of Excellence winner for balcony or rooftop construction, Arbordale Landscaping, to the stage. Congratulations.